Hi, my name is Soraya and I came to see Nick because I wanted to improve my overall posture. I had a lot of pain in my neck, a lot of pain in my neck, and I just wanted a way in which to get rid of that. So when I came to see Nick, I just expected us to go over, overall posture, sitting, standing, how to sit, how to stand, how to move. But what I feel is that I've got so much more from that with Nick. It has just altered my life and the way that I view things. So my posture is improved dramatically. I no longer stoop. I'm no longer standing inwards, because I used to kind of stand inwards and bent like this, and I no longer do that. I'm a lot more flexible, and I feel like I've got a new body, and I'm really excited to carry on this journey with Nick. And it's just improved the way in which my relationships are with people. Nick just makes you see things in a completely different way, and I'm starting to go on and do so much more with my life. And you get so much more when you come to see Nick. It isn't just about standing and sitting. So if you want to dramatically change your life, I recommend you come see Nick.